Hello guys, it's me again. Today I want to take a ride with you in the forest. It's one of the forests that's near my home, where I always go to enjoy the free oxygen, where I always go to enjoy nature. You know, this is not in Africa, but you can see the green. You may think I'm in one of the thickest forests in Africa, in the Mavira forest, not Mavira. So enjoy a ride with me. Here we are in the forest now. Here we go. They will have some water here. You can enjoy the beautiful birds, the ducks on water. Yeah, they're swimming. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hope you're enjoying. Let's go, let's go, let's go together. So there is a bridge ahead, which I'm going to cross. There is a rabbit there that is crossing. A small rabbit is there, small rabbit. So beautiful. Let's go. It's in the forest. It's not a lie. This is the forest. Wow. Wow. Enjoy the beauty. Enjoy the beauty. This is a no village ahead, I think. I'll go on a bridge after. There is a bridge there. I'll cross it together. We shall cross the bridge together. There is a water that passes by. Don't know how to speak Dutch. If you can read Dutch. Koning. Koningenhof. What I know about Koning. Koning is a king. Koning. No. Koningen is a queen. But then Koning is a king. Yeah, we continue enjoying the beauty of the forest together. Enjoy it. I like it. When I'm alone in the forest. This is the jungle. This is the king of the jungle. I'm the king of the jungle. I'm the only king of the jungle. But remember, what is this? What is this? Let's find something. Let's find a story about it. I know there must be a story about it. We have to see it. Wow, what is this? Let's see. Yeah. Michelle Ray Charles, 1967. Shall come back on that. Have to enjoy the forest again. The water body is here, and you will see it when I'm on the bridge. Let's go on the bridge now from the forest. I didn't enter. I'm scared. It is scary. Let's go on the bridge. I'll bring you back to the forest. I know you want to see the king of the jungle through the forest. Here we are at the bridge. Oh my god, so scary. I'm going to pass here with my bike. Nelson Mandela, back to Africa. This man did history. You see,
let us subscribe as we continue
he is almost everywhere. So you can see the beauty here. Let's go on the bridge together. Let's go on the bridge together. On the bridge together. Here I am. This is water down. Let's stop here and show you some more. You may think this is the bridge. There is more to do. See a pond? Some lake. A small man-made lake. Very small, not too big. It's like a branch of a river. It's like just an arm of a lake. So let's cross over the whole bridge. Then I'll bring you back to the forest. Just few minutes. I'm going steps as I'm showing you how beautiful the BELGIUM is. Okay. Nelson Mandela Bridge. Nelson Mandela Bridge. Okay. I told you I'm still in the forest. The forest has a bridge. I want to get you deep into the forest. I told you I'm in the jungle for today. So you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, let's go. Enjoy the speed. I'm not on a car. I am not on the car, but I'm on a bike. Yeah. Back to the forest. Back to the forest. Yeah. There are people, because I found a lady there crossing the bridge. There's another man who came over. I want to enter into the forest. I want to enter here. Woo! My God. My God, what is this? My God. Yeah, I'm not the only thing I do. I am not the only king of the jungle. Yes, I'm over another water body. Let us discover this. Oh. Oh. I thought it's a dead end. This is a dead end. Oh my God, they are beautiful birds there. Doves. I see some doves here. Are they doves? How to do birding in tourism? How to do birding in tourism? I'm no longer a king of the jungle. I'm just a traveler walking around the forest because I've seen there we go. Let me show you this place. It's very nice. Wow. So nice. So nice. Oh my God. There's an architect. I mean the sculpture there. It's none of my business. It is none of my business. Guys, I think let me stop here for this video, but let me still enter here for another rule of the jungle. It is a forest. I told you it is a forest. Wow, wow, wow. Let's enter here. I have a friend in Sweden who likes these things. Of moving in the forest. I told her one day you'll find a snake there. She's called the Grace. Hi Grace. Come and enjoy with me. Oh my God. I'll take care here with my back. I may fall. Whew. Here we go. In the forest. I'm in the forest enjoying the beauty. Forest enjoying nature. I'm in the forest enjoying nature. See? With my bike. So beautiful, I like it. So beautiful. I like it. Be careful. Okay, let's go. And we are at the end of our video for today. I have to go back to the same point where I started my video. Remember this? We are here for Koningen and Koning. Koningen and Koning. It's enough for today. Enough for today. If you enjoy the nature, remember here we started from here, somewhere here. Okay, thank you for today.